The Combat Vickers 90 or CV-90 is not the name of a tank or an armored vehicle, but the name of a family of armored vehicles built on the CV-90 chassis. The CV-90 itself is a weapon project developed by the Swedish branch of BAE Systems during the Cold War, served in the country's army since the middle 1990s, and has been proven in combat in Afghanistan. Each version of the CV-90 has a certain difference. The active and passive defense systems, along with the electronics, are modified to match the firepower it carries. The CV-90-120 is the most powerful variant of the CV-90 series, and one of the most respectable light tanks available today with a 120mm smoothbore gun. The test phase was completed in 2001, but further improvements in a number of areas continued, especially electronics. On January 13, 2023, Swedish company BAE Systems published a video showing the firepower and mobility of its CV-90-120 light tank. The tank has firepower compatible to that of an MBT, but with a combat weight of fewer than 40 tons, providing superior maneuverability. The CV-90-120 is equipped with a fully stabilized 120mm Swiss Ordnance low-recoil smoothbore gun compatible with modern NATO ammunition. A total of 45 rounds are carried, with maximum rate of fire is up to 14 rounds per minute. As a light tank, the CV-90-120 is easier to transport by military transport aircraft than an MBT. It also has a much lower cost than traditional tanks. At half the weight of a standard MBT, the CV-90-120's fuel consumption and components wear are significantly lower. The CV-90-120 is also more versatile on the battlefield than a traditional tank. The low ground pressure, rubber tracks, and active damping enables the CV-90-120 to move to wherever it is needed and face any threat on the battlefield. The vehicle is equipped with a Scania DI16 turbocharged diesel engine with a capacity of 670 horsepower for a maximum speed of up to 70 km per hour, a maximum range of 600 km. Modular armor of the CV-90-120 can be configured to various levels of protection. Additional passive armor package can be fitted. It is speculated that the front arc with add-on armor protects against 30mm armor-piercing discarding support rounds. On-ground protection is against 14.5mm armor-piercing projectiles. Furthermore, explosive reactive armor can be fitted for even higher level of protection. Survivability of the CV-90-120 light tank is further enhanced by the tank's defensive air suit, including laser, radar, and missile approach warning systems, multi-spectral aerosol active countermissile system. A top attack radar can identify precision-guided anti-tank munitions. Furthermore, vehicle's design has some certain stealth features. Currently, India, the United States, and other countries have launched an acquisition program to have a light tank such as the MPF program of the US Army. The Philippines has selected the Israeli Sabra light tank, and the first copies of which are currently delivered to the Philippine Army. CV90-120 is expected to be a good candidate in the lifetime market.